Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will fix sorry there was a problem with a request on Instagram. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and strong connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Next, try restarting the Instagram app. Close the app completely and then reopen it. If that does not work, restart your phone. This can often resolve minor software glitches. Make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed. Visit the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for Instagram and update if a new version is available. Another effective solution is to try logging in from different device or browser. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it. Sometimes VPNs can interfere with Instagram service and cause login issues. If none of these steps work, try resetting your password. Lastly, if you can't log in, contact Instagram support, go to Instagram Help Center and report the issue. Provide as much detail as possible to help them diagnose and resolve the problem. We hope these steps fix you the sorry there was a problem with a request error on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.